If they have the will to do it, then they can for sure do it.
Do anything, right?
Women can do whatever they put their mind to. Not one woman can't do everything,
Yeah.
but as long as they dedicate their life to something, they can do it. Like
Yeah.
when it comes to weightlifting, if a woman puts her
Yeah.
entire life's efforts into
Yeah.
weightlifting,
Yeah.
she can take that up as a competitive sport. You know,
Yeah.
as long as you put your mind to it, as long as you dedicate your entire life to it, you can do whatever you want. To
Yeah.
do. Like one woman can't do everything.
Of course.
But
yeah.
women
In general. Yeah.
can do.
I feel
Anything. Yeah.
in the beginning I told that women and men are made biologically different.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if we talk about biological difference, then there are things that women cannot do.
Yeah. An example which you think would be relevant.
Biologically, we are not as strong as men. If you ask a man to fight a woman, like of
Yeah.
course he's gonna win. So
Yeah,
there
I
is
mean-
that difference. But that difference does not mean कि you'll value a woman less at a
True.
at a position of work.
True.
Yeah, of course, there's things
Yeah.
that women can't do. But
Yeah.
there's
In
also
any
things that
context,
men
what about
can't
you?
do. So, yeah, there's things in general that people can't do.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I feel like I can't think of anything that a woman can't
do. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't think of an example, so I don't know how to like. While I want to believe that there are things that, so say men cannot bear children. That's
Yeah.
an example that I could think. But now that can
Of
also
course.
happen. Yeah, they can like there are
Okay.
procedures in which men can actually carry a baby for
Oh.
9 months.
Like
Never.
yeah.
Yeah.
Transplants.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I personally can't think of an example where women can't do anything, but if there's
Yeah.
different context, then don't know if there can be possibility.
Okay.
But I don't.
I think there are things that women can't do, but there are also things men can't do.
Yeah.
So
That's
I
a
mean that's
good
equality
point.
too.
Yeah.
So
True.
yeah, so basically that.
Maybe it will take time for women. It might take a more time and a more effort, but they can do everything. But
Yeah.
depends upon like there will be a difference between women and
Men.
men at that.
I
Not
mean,
that I can think of. I think they
yeah, we can do everything, right? Okay. Thank you so much.
I don't think so. I mean,
Yeah.
we've progressed a lot.
Yeah.
Unless you count something heinous, but no,
Okay.
I
Okay.
don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, and my mom is a housewife.
Yeah.
And I don't think there's anything wrong being a housewife. It's your choice. At
Yeah.
the end of the day, if you are being a housewife, it should be your choice and not somebody else.
True. True. True.
It's totally fine as long as you're comfortable with it. But yeah.
We
Yeah.
are not fighting for whether we can be housewives or whether we can work. We're fighting for the freedom
True.
to be able to choose what we want to do.
Yeah.
So yeah, people can be whoever they want.
Yeah.
What we're fighting for is the fact that we will be able to choose what we want to do in the future. So,
And would you be one?
I mean, I'm hoping I don't
Yeah.
because I want to work.
Yeah.
People think feminism is all about making women work, but no. As long as it's your choice to stay back in the household, absolutely go for it.
Difficult job in the 21st century to be a homemaker.
Yeah.
Because I look at my mama and I don't think I can find any girl around me
Yeah.
in a relationship also who can actually be like my mama.
Yeah.
It's actually the most difficult thing.
It's of course fine. What's
Yeah.
there not to be fine about? If a
Yeah.
woman wants to be a housewife, there's
Yeah.
nothing wrong taking care of kids.
Of course, it's fine. I mean,
Yeah.
I think the idea of housewife has changed a lot over
Yeah.
time. It's no longer just a woman who takes care of cooking, cleaning, and kids.
Yeah.
It's a woman who is capable of handling all of the household affairs while her husband is off doing
Yeah.
his
Yeah.
business. You know, so I think it's okay to be a housewife. I think it's okay to be a house husband.
Yeah.
I think the concept is perfect.
It's perfect. Would you be one?
Would I be
If-
a housewife?
Yeah.
So I want to work.
Yeah.
So I don't think I would be a housewife.
Be a housewife.
But
Yeah.
I don't mind taking on the roles of a housewife on top of my job.
Yeah.
You know, a guy should have the same
Yeah.
opinion.
You should have like an equal contribution to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be